Hello, this is Vivek. This video I'll show you Mautic segments. I'll walk you through these segments and how we are going to use these segments. And segments are like a list in other email marketing systems in Mailchimp, and these are a list for grouping subscribers with the same interest and same theme. And we can hold all these contacts in a segment, and here we can segment by clicking on a new, and we can enter the name of the segment. Here I'll use a random user segment because I have created these users from a random users.me website. For that purpose I am entering a random users, and you can add a description so that it will becomes easier to go through this segment. In future you don't have to think about it. I'm adding as these contacts are from random users.me website. That's the description, and if I click on apply, this segment will be created. If you want to use this in a campaigns or other websites, this should be a public segment, and this option should be yes, and it also should be published, and this option should be yes, so that this segment can be used in other websites and campaigns. In Mautic campaigns we can use this segment, so that all the subscribers opting in from travel leads, they will be directly added to this random users website, because I'll use this segment in travel leads by connecting it through API. And we can use segment, use filters to filter out the subscribers based on a specific action like emails read. That's email read filter. If they read a specific email, we can select contacts by who read those emails, or you can use include them or exclude them based on the actions. We'll see these filters later when we have some actions, that is when we have some emails. Here we have no contacts because we don't have any contacts in these segments. You can see the filter applied here, and I'll add these contacts to random user segment. Here you are seeing no contacts because here this segment random users is applied. We can clear this filter by just clicking on eraser button, and I'll click on edit button, and I'll add this contact to random user segment by just going to, not from edit, just view mode. You can add this contact to. I'll click on this user, and from here preferences, from segment you can add user to segment. After clicking on the segments, I'll see all the segments. If you have a lot of segments, you can just type the word, and all those segments with that word will be displayed. And here I'm adding this subscriber to random users. It's been added to random user subscribers. You can see view one contact. I'll add other contact to this segment by going to preferences, the segments. I'm selecting random users and clicking on them. If I go to, is also added. If I go to segments, you can see I have two contacts, and these are under random user segment. These users are under one contact will be in multiple segments. There's no problem, and these segments can be used in other websites for adding subscribers to this segment. This is like a list.